So I have no idea where's Tennessee. No, I can go to the Tennessee, probably I'll be there on the next day, maybe tomorrow or on Wednesday, but I have no idea about Tennessee. I don't want to know anything about. So they told me there's a tornado, okay. But then when I watch Russian TV, they told me, oh, there's a catastrophe in US, blah, blah, blah. Americans die. And I said, probably. I mean, probably I'm living in some other country or...
So what?
Yeah, like 2 days ago, there was they call it маленький снегопад. Они называют snowstorm.
They weren't in Russia.
Yeah, something that we have in Moscow. It was like it's a really it's catastrophe. Like what I have in Moscow, like I don't know, like minus 20 degrees every January, every February. Here it will be catastrophe. So much snow. They don't understand that. It could happen only maybe in Minnesota, in Vermont, maybe in New Hampshire, and all this, you know, Illinois, all these north states, and somewhere along the border with Canada. But no way. So maybe 1 week ago there was a catastrophe. The storm goes from, if I'm not mistaken, from South Carolina to North Carolina to Georgia, along until the Baltimore. I mean, it didn't come to New York and to Pennsylvania, but it go along the ocean. And there was so much snow, people. I mean, because Americans, they don't really use a winter tire. I mean, most of them. I mean, some in Massachusetts and New York, people, because there's a lot of people from Russia and you know, from the Ukraine and from Belarus and from Kazakhstan, so they know what is a winter tire with spikes, so they use it. Americans, they bought this how do you call it, for all season tire. Technically, it's not for all season. It's technically summer tires with some kind of heavy duty borders on the tire. That's it. It will not help you in winter. It will not help you with the ice or with the snow. You will sleep.
But we have the same situation here in my region, because we don't have any winter. If maybe 1 or 2 weeks it's snowy, and it's all. And in another time it is only for 5 and above degrees.
So 5 degrees Celsius, right?
5 с плюсами выше получается.
Because you know, Americans doesn't use Celsius mostly, they use Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit.
У них по Фаренгейту все, да. That's a idiotic system which I always try not to realize how much is that, but after 4 years I start converting automatically in my head. But recently, I mean previously it was blowing my mind. People say me it's 72. I say, how much? 72. Look at your iPhone. I don't care about your iPhone. I just tell me how much is it. So Americans still using this I don't know, this fucking system with these pounds, with these inches. I mean, inches is okay. We also use inches for tires, for plumbery, when you fix in your faucets, or with your how to say forget this word. Yeah, I mean bathroom or toilet, restroom, whatever. But here it's everywhere. Nobody wants to change anything. I mean, I used to, because we call in school, in Soviet school, we call it C system. I mean, 10 by 10 equal 100. It's easy.
Yes.
So in 10, in 100 centimeters, there's I don't know, like 1,000 millimeters. It's easy. 10 centimeters, like 1,000 millimeters, 100 millimeters. It's easy to convert, easy to count. Everything is easy. Can you calculate like 7 inches or 7 inches and 2 feet? Jeez.
You need a calculator.
That's a catastrophe. That's blowing my mind. And you know what? If I like to listen Zadornov, even when he was alive and right now, and he tells.
Yes, I like him.
And mostly what I understand, that he was pretty much right. I mean, I wouldn't say that he right in like 80. I mean, say 100%, but 80% he is right. I was shocked when he said that there's a digit p. Probably know that, like 4.14. I mean, то, что мы называем число p. And he said in one state P authorized for some exact number, so it's not 3.14. It's 4.
Oh, really?
So, I was shocked. I was thinking he is joking. So they officially said, and they were so exhausted to change this 3.1.4 and so on. So they put it officially for all their, for the students, for the schools, like 4. And you can open their website of the,
Зачем заморачиваться, да?
Yeah, it's easy. Why should we care? I mean, 4 is okay. Easy to calculate, easy to divide, to subtract, to multiply, whatever.
Yeah.
Guys, I think I need to go for today.
Okay, maybe we will... Короче, тоже расходимся. Что я не придумала, как сказать.
Как скажете?
Так, а в следующий раз когда мы будем встречаться? When we are going to meet next time?
Any ideas?
On Saturday? Or when? When do you have free time?
Actually, I think I can every evening this week or Saturday. Maybe it's fine also, but I'm not sure actually about the time. But all the days this week at 21 in Moscow, it's okay for me.
And what about you, Misha?
For me, it's like 1 p.m. in New York.
And you will be working, yes?
New York. Technically, usually my boss wants me to work at that time. The other thing that I don't really want to work, I just want to, because you see, there's a lot of recruiters calling, and I have no. So I should choose whatever. Should I answer the calls from recruiters and HRs and QA, or should I work for this guy? Because I understand that 2 more, I don't know, weeks or month, and I said I'm quit. So I need to answer, and while I'm answering, I need to be at home or not far away from home. Because sometimes they ask the questions like right now I'm still wondering how to make this. They ask the question like SQL. So answering your question, technically it could be Wednesday if you have time. Saturday and Sunday.
Do you mean it's so 1 p.m. it's our 21?
Yes, it's 21, so -8.
I see. Okay.
I don't know. I mean, because it's about Moscow time, because I heard that in Ukraine it may be -7, right?
Yes.
So I mean,
I always miss my time.
so I mean, if it's a 7 hours difference, so yeah.
Okay, let's decide it. If we, короче, если мы соберемся в среду, тогда, если у всех получается, я напишу, мы собираемся, да?
Давайте так.
Let's do that.
Завтра сделаем перерывчик. В среду встречаемся. Я напишу там за 15 минут до встречи. Там, кто может, значит, тот подключается.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you a lot.
Да.
See you on Wednesday.
Да, всем спасибо.
Hear you on Wednesday. Bye.
Да, пока-пока.
Have a nice day, Misha.
Have a good day. Yeah.